everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at this application that I coded today, which is a Java quizzing application. A little bit like Conjugamos. If you didn't know, Conjugamos is a website that you can use to learn to learn different languages. So yeah, but the difference is mine is coded completely in Java without any other language, I guess. So yeah. So inside of the bin folder, there's three main parts to it. So here's the part that the student has. The part that basically takes the quiz and records the answers inside of a file. So here are the teacher tools. So the teacher can review the results and the teacher can create tests. So I'm going to be doing something chronologically, which means that I'm going to make a quiz, I'm going to answer it, and then I'm going to look at the results. So I'm going to open up create.jar, and inside of the file menu I'm going to make a new file, and I'm going to add a question to it. So the question is going to be how many carrots did I eat? Of course this is a silly question, but why not? So as an answer choice I'm going to add in 4 carrots. I'm going to add in 5 carrots. I'm going to add in 6 carrots. D is going to be java.laying.null pointer exception, and E is going to be all of the above. Actually, since I spelled this wrong, I don't want to put it in there. So I'm going to, I'll just remove this one. So I'm going to remove that one. And as you can see, it was removed from our list. And by the way, if we want to, we can remove something from the end as well. Like I'm just going to remove java.laying.null pointer exception. So that there's basically 2 ways that you can review it and remove it. So the correct answer is going to be 6 carrots. So I'm going to set it to the correct choice, so 6 carrots. It actually says carrots, but why not? So set correct choice. Then just to make sure that we did it correctly, the correct choice is 6 carrots. So now that we've finished that question, we can move on. Add what is a hello world application? So we'll make it java.laying.integer idk the first application a programmer generally does. And D is going to be all of the above. The thing I find funny is that on a lot of questions there's all of the above when it doesn't even make sense. So I like putting those in. So I'm going to set it to the correct choice. And just to make sure I did it correctly, that's what we get. And I'm going to hit OK. Now let's add an addition question. So the addition question is going to be called 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7, which is 27. So I'm going to add 57, 52, 25, 27, all of the above. So let's not take too long with this quiz, and I'm going to finish this up. So oopsies, set correct choice to 27. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK, and now we have all of our questions. So I'm going to save this quiz. The password is going to be ABCD. Now quizzes, so quiz1.txt. I'm just going to save it in there just to show that it's actually working. I'm going to go inside of quizzes, and it's encrypted with a password so that nobody can actually read it. And yeah, so that was made so that the student can't really hack into it and change the questions and mess around with it. So yeah, so now I'm going to run our quizzer, which is going to test whether we know it or not. So jquiz, then quizzes inside of quiz1.txt, abcd. Okay, so how many carrots did I eat? 4 carrots, 5 carrots, 6 carrots. As you can see, there's a bug and it still has all of the above in it, but that's to be fixed. So how many carrots did I eat? I think it's 5 carrots. No, wait, yeah, it's 6 carrots. So great job, C is correct. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7? Well, it has to be 57, doesn't it? After all, there's 1 5 and there's 1 7, so A is incorrect. Well, it might work again if we try it. No, it's not working. So, I don't know. I'm feeling it's all of the above. It's not that. Let's try 25. 27? Yay, it is 27. Okay, so I'm going to hit next. It said your score is 42.857143%. Send the saved file to your teacher as an attachment. So I'm going to save my results. I'm going to do it gquiz results, result1.txt. So again, just to show you that it's working, here's the result1.txt. Again, this has been encrypted so that the user can change the questions and make sure that they got every single question correct. So I'm going to go inside of the teacher tools and check the results of this particular student. So results, result1.txt, abcd. And as you can see, this is what happened. So in the beginning, the first one they got it correct, and then they had 4 guesses on the next one, and yeah. So it doesn't have the second question in there, even if we added one, because of a bug that I'm trying to fix. So yeah, those are the 3 parts of my application. If you guys feel that there's more things that I can do for it, apart from bug fixing of course, please leave it in the comment down below because I always read my comments, no matter what they are. So yeah everybody, thanks for watching this video and goodbye.